Hey, our people, welcome to Igbo History TV. The story why I want to tell you now because policemen with blacks are now ordered to shoot anybody that's talking about Biafra or Duduwa. Policemen, all the policemen are now ordered by the Inspector General of Police, this current Inspector General of Police, to shoot anyone talking about Biafra. So what I want you to know is that if you see them on the road, don't talk to them harshly. They are now ordered to shoot anyone talking about Biafra or Ududuwa, especially in the southeast and the south-south. So if you are talking about Biafra or Ududuwa, you need to be very careful these days. Nigerian police are ordered to shoot anyone talking about Biafra. This is the news reaching us right now. I refuse to share it with you guys. Listen attentively as this man shares his own story.
This morning, Kai Basalo adoration. So, see adoration now, normally, yana machalo Paul Gidi, maka hold up. Eben si anabo mbapoto monya, maka eben people tere mkwele. So now bapota na mkwele ejisin fleet station. Divert akam patawa mkwele. Eben bi. Not up to 2 pole. After sharpen they gonna mobile in Aboza. Only one fleet station there. Before they black and black. And the Hentimano police even high jacket police, but they were all in blacks. So Buru police vehicle has a liaison. So I was him. So and then I hear Jiranya for Siena and the couple with my brother, non-army, yellow army emblem on the army, including the motor. So rooted Simba Mabonya in Siamba that my brother is in the army. Simba park you off my camp. I should not near him, that I should be far and answer any question. He was very brutal, he was very rugged. So back it, some my particulars, near particulars, or some devices, near devices, or some titer permit, near titer permit. So am I aware that the governor said there should not be tinte permit? So I thought it is a fixed one that all Siena in the whole Nigeria and the jeeps that they normally come with tinte permit at the back. It's only the front glass. I said, am I teaching him his job? He said, no, I'm not teaching him, but I'm just telling you the fact. So will he wear Mago Abuja? So where na-nke bụ onye isi ha anya ndị ha ndị abụrụ ndị Igbo so onwe nke ọdụm ka ya bụ onye isi nchekwuru ya na moto ebe ọnụ I will introduce myself si a na-ekwu iwe mụ na your boy na-eje so what do I want him to do? Say, please do the needful and let me go. About the guy say I'm it's only the thing tell say you should allow me go. How about Zen Namoto? Come move another one no niru. Gas him flag him down. See that I just finished with your men now. Or some this thing that is in front of your car, you are an army officer. I said no, that I have a brother. Kakane wonya doege moto. Mabataka na moto top it that emblem ndami. Kankane ku fego nyaniru. So I come to offense have I violated. I never did anything to you. What is wrong? Also, I should back at the front. I back at the front. Read to. Sometimes I should call down my brother that is an army. So, one day, okay, Mabejinze, Namanse, Nami, Bonium Date, Obiana Food, Opikiro. So I went back to the Unisia. Kowali, I say, couple of settle guitar, and if you hear your boy never go again. Another person. Or something that he should call that my brother, that is an army officer that he want to talk to him. So I should follow them to police station. Ghana Wagiya na Bambi food that we have chewed more than required. We have taken them on a ride along, burning police station, killing policemen, that they have order to kill and nothing will happen. Only one boy had the Nazi Buyapo, the boy make a how many will get no? It was a scenario. So when you say I thought you say you're an evangelist. Allow this emblem and go. Bamoto. Nara. My brother bomb. Where come here? So the thing with the warrior, I also near the southern AP my call, near the peace. Where was it? Macassim, the man who and say yes. Or where one or more omona, no back open nature. Same na this acting IG Noketa, near Lord that anybody messing up on a southeast say Bawonia. When anybody I know you must have Biafra, say one person. Nanda for Nahasi from Fedra, where Bia Nia Galeba to kill, 100 peace. This Biafra of 10. And in the age where the men label, Kama situation before May 30, 29, 30. Before 29, May 29, 30, Egamano Madonna Gababugo. So when you know my brother, any checking point on Ampota for her, Muna any argument. Now, IG in your Lord and the southeast and the south, only one I could do one more, but I say one person. No meeting email. When I got this chief of army staff from Mono, no, not the man who couldn't meeting email. And okay, 3 months, the man on that's it. The way boy. Obuero na meeting Hamel, open or monte. The outcome of the meeting, nobody know. So go open a game, what a malona I that go. And go radio. I don't know you could be a France. Say what? Mobu and I particulars. Mobu making a Abbas police. Say what? We was I had that go. Oh, you had a man like Cameroon. Kanachima Imanyabana. So when I yomona, Unyom at this platform, he get a platformer, no late night. He get a platformer. I consider anything about Biafra Mobuna de Kano. Anyhow, be very, very careful. There is a green snake in a green grass now. Nobody knows who is who. Had many forms saga. So be very, very careful. Mali be naga. No late night in Kekachampa. No late night. Only Bunaba and Kiagagoba. Ekenemun.